Hello and welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to look at three important areas of the IELTS reading test. We are going to look at marks and band scores, timing, and the computer delivered test. Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel if you are preparing for IELTS Academic or ISLPR. This will help you receive more lessons on reading, writing, listening, speaking, and test preparation. In this lesson, you will learn how the IELTS Academic Reading test is marked. You will also learn how raw scores are converted into band scores, how to manage your time across the three passages, and what to expect if you take the computer-delivered version of the test. And understanding these areas is important because success in IELTS reading depends not only on answering questions correctly, it also depends on using your time wisely and feeling confident with the test format. Let's look at marks and band scores. Your reading test is marked in the following way. Each correct answer receives 1 mark. Your total number of correct answers out of 40 is then converted into an IELTS band score from 0 to 9. Reading band scores are reported in whole bands such as 5.0 or 6.0 and half bands such as 5.5 or 6.5. Here is an example of how your raw scores may be converted into band scores. If you look at the table on your screen, you will see band score, raw score out of 40. If you get 5 for your band score, it means your raw score was 15 out of 40. 6 means 23 out of 40, and so on and so forth. Now, let us look at timing. The reading test contains 3 passages and you must complete all of them in 60 minutes. This means you should spend about 20 minutes on each passage. The passages become progressively more difficult. Passage 1 is the least difficult, while passage 3 is the most difficult. For this reason, it is best if possible to complete passage 1 fairly quickly. The recommended time for each passage is as shown on the table on your screen. For example, passage 1, you can finish it in 15 minutes. Passage 2, 20 minutes. Passage 3, 25 minutes. Okay, let's move on and look at the IELTS computer delivered test. You do not need any special computer skills to take IELTS on a computer. However, it is strongly recommended that you become familiar with the format by doing online practice questions before the test. That brings us to the end of this lesson. You have learned how the IELTS academic reading test is marked, how raw scores may be converted into band scores, how to manage time across the 3 passages, and why it's important to practice with a computer-delivered test before the test. If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe to the channel and continue watching the next IELTS academic reading lesson. Bye bye, I'll see you in the next lesson.